Hi, I am Derek Johnson, the owner of Superior Parts Limited. We have 6 outlets island-wide. You can get car parts, we sell bikes and bike parts, and we sell tires. The Yang Yang, it became popular because at the time we had a ding dong as a song, and the song helped to gravitate and push the whole thing. Also, in the same time or nearby, Beyonce and Jay-Z came and they just wanted the average bike and go in trench town and thing. So based on that, they go down to the grassroots level, and it also become a big choice to say a superstar, on an average one bike. Then now you have the Zhuzhang, which is also a very popular bike. It's manufactured for the CG150, the Honda model, and it's a direct replica, and it's as sturdy and the quality is exceptionally good. So based on the exceptionality, people now tend to gravitate it and know that if one bike can get up to a 5 year and they can sell it back and it will value because it's also maintain the value based on the name. When I visit to China, I explore, and when I look at the affordability and the quality of the bikes, I recognize that it would be a good formula. So I bring on a tryout 20, and in no time they sell off, and the quality was so good they were standing up. And based on that, it was like from there on, they would just continue bringing in, and a lot of people now tend to gravitate and become a household name right now because the quality is good, it's affordable, and when you look at the average man, like can maybe like a juice man or something, and you see him can ride, you can get by in the 21st, you can afford the gas, you can afford to maintain it, because we also with the parts. So it's just a win-win formula for everybody. The negative connotation with the bikes in terms of wheelchair is just a lower class and it's about criminality, but my bike I've seen empowered a lot of people wearing a juice man can able to move from point A to point B and sell. And you have the man with the weed walker or the man that lives in the hills and the valleys, and in carrying transportation and can be able to commute. Even you look at that, even on the Negro, they can use it as taxi. What we want people to understand is that we are law-abiding citizens and we cooperate with the police as much as possible. We also have a good record system, and we also encourage people whenever you buy a bike, you must license and insure. That is one of our first, and safety. That's what we preach. So whenever somebody come and buy a bike, we make sure of a documentary thing. It's like any other thing, because a bike is like a machinery. It's like a car. You have to have a fitness, you have to have a insurance, and all of those things come about in terms of documentation and make sure you have every information that is necessary. We and other dealers, bike dealers, we are trying to now come up with a better record keeping situation so we can minimize the going into the wrong hands. Sometimes you find that people will steal bike and they go and do other things. But I have come upon cases where I go to the police station and I've seen bikes that have been stolen. I could call the owner and say, hey, the bike is there, and help sort them out, because we cooperate with the police a lot. As a citizen, I think I have a civic duty to ensure that our people are safe on the road. And it's sometimes very hurtful when you see people sometimes unfortunately meet an accident. But we have invested in bringing like contain load of helmets. Now one of our helmets we have DOT, Department of Transportation, and we also have a branded, and we also have the face that we can do, and it's also very comfortable and very compact. So this is one of our brand of element that we bring in and we ensure. We are bringing them so affordable because sometimes the duty is reasonable on the helmets. So with that listener, we're gonna do a special now this festive season, and as below $3,000 we can give you an helmet today. But as it goes up, the brand goes up, You might have different price, but the minimum you can have below 3,000. We can afford it to fit a helmet. I think poor people are, people of a lesser means. They tend to gravitate towards the bike because of the affordability, and it also gives them a sense of pride that they actually own something, because that sometimes is one of the fastest and the easiest way with that amount of money. It's a partner draw, somebody send a remittance and come give them, and them save, relatives save some money, and it put them on, they feel that a sense of independence. Now, we want to ensure that they can feel that way, and we will keep them in that, so that they can maintain the bike and also can also use it as a means to make money, transport themselves, and in terms of save time and be more productive.